डियर व्यूअर, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर BS15 का जो आज PPSC के थ्रू टेस्ट हुआ है उसके जो अहम तरीन सवालात जो कि सोशल मीडिया से मिले हैं वो आपकी पेश खिदमत है। पहला सवाल है, विच फोर नेसेसरी कंडीशंस मस्ट बी met for deadlock to occur in an operating system। इसका आंसर है म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन, होल्ड एंड वेट, नो प्रीएम्पशन एंड सर्कुलर वेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कंपनी इज द प्राइमरी डेवलपर ऑफ द एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? Its answer is Google. Next question, in computer system virtual memory is physically located and managed on the, its answer, hard disk or secondary storage. Next question, who is credited with providing the concept of stored program architecture? Its answer is John von Neumann. Next question, what are the three core hardware components include the von Neumann architecture? Its answer is central processing unit, CPU, memory unit and input output interfaces. Next question, the core part of the operating system that directly manages hardware resources and communication between software and hardware is the kernel. Next question, in a Unix based system, which system call is used by a parent process to create a new nearly identical child processes? Its answer is fork. Next question, concept rate. Its answer is definition, redundant array of independent disks to a technology used to provide data redundancy or improve performance by using multiple hard drives. Next question, which specific unit with the CPU is responsible for performing mathematical calculations and logical operation comparisons? Its answer is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Next question, in the computer memory hierarchy, which type of memory provides the fastest access speed to the processor? Its answer is registers. Next question, what is the standard data storage capacity of a typical compact disk CD? Its answer is 700 MB. Next question, which feature is in Windows 10 is the primary valid option for automated file backup and restoration? Its answer is file history. Next question, in database management system, what is the purpose of a checkpoint? Its answer is to synchronize the database state and logs to minimize recovery time after system failure. Its answer. Next question, computer files are primarily recognized and categorized by the operating system using their, its answer, file extension. Next question, term primary key. Its answer is a specific field or combination of fields that uniquely identifies each record within a database table. Next question, what is the foreign key in a relational database? Its answer is a field in one table that uniquely identifies a row of another table used to establish a link between data. Next question, a collection of related data items that are treated as a single unit, often a row in a table, is called a record. Next question, in the three schema architecture of a database, the external level is also known as the level view. Next question, which category of SQL commands such as select, insert, update, delete is used to manage and manipulate data within objects? Its answer is data manipulation language, DML. Next question. In a relational database, what is the formal mathematical term for a table? Its answer is relation. Next question. In MS Access, what does the criteria look for in a 5-factor string? Its answer is a string starting with S followed by exactly 4 numeric digits. Next question. Which programming language is historically and commonly used for artificial intelligence development due to its flexibility with symbolic logics? Its answer is Python and Lisp Prolog. Next question. True false machine learning ML is considered a subset of artificial language intelligence. Its answer is true. Next question. What is the purpose of the symbol in this symbol in the C programming language? Its answer to denote a single line comment. Next question. In the C programming language, which of is not a primitive data type, int, float, or number? Next question. What is the decimal base 10 equivalent of the binary number 0.1? Its answer is 0.5. Next question. A standard personal computer that operates using binary logic is classified as a digital computer. In modern versions of Microsoft Word, what is the default font size for a new blank document? Its answer is 11 points. Next question. In Microsoft Word, which ribbon tab must be accessed to insert a table into a document? Its answer is insert. Next question. In which Microsoft Word view are headers and footers visible on the screen exactly as they will appear when they printed? Its answer is print layout view. Next question. Under which ribbon tab can the table of contents features be found in Microsoft Word? Its answer is references. Next question. In Microsoft Word, word art and artistic effects are primarily used to apply decorative style to? Its answer is text or images. Next question. Text term we look up. Its answer is an Excel function used to search for the specific value in the first column of the table and return a value in the same row from a specific column. Next question. Which Excel function is used to calculate the sum of two or more complex numbers? Its answer is sum. Sorry. Next question. Which Excel function returns the largest value from a selected range of numbers? Its answer is max. Which Excel function returns the integer portion of a division the whole number without the remainder? Its answer is quotient. Next question. Which keyboard shortcut is used to Microsoft Excel to repeat the last action performed? Its answer is F4 or Ctrl+Y. Next question. Which keyboard shortcut allows a user to edit the content of the currently selected cell in Excel? Its answer is F2. Next question. The basic building block of an Excel worksheet formed by the intersection of a row and column is a cell. Next question. An Excel is a collection of a more worksheets saved in a single file. Its answer is workbook. Next question. Which keyboard shortcut is used to move the next worksheet is an Excel workbook? Control plus page down. Next question.